Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to know if someone has blocked you on iPhone. While Apple does not provide a direct notification when someone blocks you, there are a few signs that can help you figure it out. To get started, open the Messages app on your iPhone and open the conversation with the person you think may have blocked you. Try sending them a message. After sending it, look below your message to see if it says delivered. If the message does not show delivered, there is a chance that you may have been blocked. However, this is not always a reliable method because the other person's phone could be turned off, disconnected from the internet, or experiencing network issues. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. For a better indication, open the phone app and try calling the person. If the call immediately goes to voicemail every time you call and never rings, this could be a sign that your number has been blocked. However, it can also happen if their phone is off in Do Not Disturb mode or has no signal. Another thing you can try is FaceTime. Open the conversation in Messages or the FaceTime app and start a FaceTime call. If the FaceTime call never connects and always fails to reach the other person, it may be another indication that you've been blocked. Keep in mind that none of these methods can confirm with absolute certainty whether someone has blocked you. Apple does not provide a feature that directly tells you when you've been blocked by another user. The best you can do is look for multiple signs together, such as messages not being delivered, calls going directly to voicemail, and FaceTime calls failing to connect. That's it. You have successfully learned some ways to check whether someone may have blocked you on iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.